We're going to be doing the serpentine belt replacement on this 2023 Toyota Corolla. The belt is going to be on the passenger side of the engine. It's right here. We're going to be using our tensioner tool to remove tension from the tensioner, which is right down here, and we'll point to it as soon as you see it. We're using a 14mm socket. You can use a long wrench to be able to get to it, but obviously this one's ratcheting to make it a little bit easier for us. This is going to be the diagram of how the belt routes, and you want to make sure you record this so that in case you remove it and forget how it goes, you remember. So the belt's going to go over the crank underneath the tensioner. The tensioner moves that way, so you hit the wrench up to be able to get the tension off the belt. Then it routes over the alternator underneath the AC and then back over the crank, and that's how the belt is routed. You're going to lift up this hose, put the socket on there. So we're going to lose tension on the belt, and as you can see, it got a lot of slack. Okay, so now that we have the tension off the belt, be really careful here. You don't want to break anything while you're doing this, but you're going to slide off the belt. So I'm going to give it a little bit more tension, try to get it off the alternator, because the other pulley is giving me some trouble. So there we go, the belt is off. The belt is off, and now we're going to put it back on, the brand new belt. You're going to go ahead and route it underneath the AC and over the crank. Not on the alternator, because that's the last pulley we're going to put it on. On the crank, AC compressor. Make sure that it's in between the grooves. As you see here with the alternator, we want to have the belt sit between this groove and this groove. Okay? So now that we have pretty much the belt on, except for the alternator pulley, now we're going to release tension on the tensioner by pushing up on it, grabbing the belt over here, and then sliding it on. Now this is the nice thing about my wrench, is that it's ratcheting, so I can ratchet it when I need a little bit more throw. So now we got the alternator belt on there. I can remove my wrench. And now I'm going to just check that the belt is on the pulleys the way it's supposed to. And it looks all good.